An optimal ventilation setup for your grow space will not only provide a constant supply of fresh air for your plants, but also regulate the temperature, humidity, noise, and prevent odors. Standard ventilation systems consist of an inline fan, ducting, and a carbon filter. Fans and filters can be configured in any order to pull air out of your grow space. With the most common system, sets them inside the grow space for ease of management. If space is limited, you can move the inline fan, the carbon filter, or both outside of the grow space. Inline fans can be mounted on a flat surface. When working with a grow tent, however, you should hang the fan using clip hangers to the mounting bars. This will also reduce vibration noise. Use ducting with clamps to connect the carbon filter to your fan. As an option, you may also add duct tape to prevent air leaks. You can also install a noise reduction clamp, or place a silencer between the ducting to further reduce noise output. To find the amount of airflow needed for your grow tent, first find its volume in cubic feet. Convert the space's dimensions from inches to feet, then multiply its length by its width and by its height. For optimal growth, you would want to exchange the entire volume of air in your grow space at least once every minute. So the required airflow would simply be the tent's volume in cubic feet per minute, or CFM. A 4x3x6 grow tent has a volume of 72 cubic feet. To exchange this tent's air once every minute, you would need a fan with a 72 Cfm capacity or higher. Adding accessories, however, will restrict airflow in your grow tent, requiring a higher CFM rated fan in order to move the calculated airflow. You would need to increase the required CFM by each component you add to your system. Your calculations can use estimated efficiency percentages of each component, since accessories on the market vary greatly. For example, a 4x3x6 grow tent needs 72 CFM. To factor in new accessories, we would need to increase the CFM by 60% for the filter, 20% for the ducting, and 20% for the silencer, giving us a minimum requirement of 166 CFM. Other accessories, such as lighting, will heat up your grow space, requiring up to 50% increase in CFM to negate rising temperature increases. When shopping for a fan system, we recommend picking a model that has a greater CFM rating than the minimum figure you calculated. This will allow the fan to run quieter at a lower speed and account for future grow space changes. AC Infinity, smarter heating, cooling, and ventilation.